is going for a ride on his Kawasaki Z650 with his friends. It's an everyday riding motorcycle. Let me hear it on Powermoto.
Introducing Powermoto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
Powermoto.
Today we're checking out the Kawasaki Z650, the Street Fighter naked bike that punches way above its weight. This beast is powered by the 649cc parallel twin engine, pushing out around 67 horsepower with strong low and mid-range torque. That means smooth city riding, aggressive pulls, and plenty of fun when you twist that throttle. 0 to 60 comes in at about 3.5 seconds, and the top speed sits around 130 miles an hour. And guys, let's talk value. The Kawasaki Z615 starts around $8,900 USD, making it one of the best priced middleweight naked bikes on the market today. So if you want aggressive looks, real world power, and everyday usability, the Z650 absolutely delivers. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and stay tuned. We've got more bikes, reviews, and ride-outs coming right here on Powermoto. Let's ride! Sky Champion, we out! Subscribe.